PNP tattoo. Ito may bibigay kaming review about sa mga machines na ginagamit namin dito sa PNP. So ito lang mga basic na ginagamit namin dito, mga pangunahin. So iba-iba pa rin ang tattoo machine, may iba-iba ba rin mga brand na lumalabas. So kayo bilang tattoo artist, namimili kayo kung anong gusto nyong gamiting machine na komportable kayo para mag-tattoo.
Pinapupulitan ako, pinagpapa-scrub. Tapos ako pagbibili din ng tatay ng mais. Yung tatay talaga walang kabait-bait. Kung kayo nang tumanda, saka tumandang pa-uraw. Oh, ano ka nang iitim kong ari-a? Pinapuputi nga, kayo utusan pa. Tatay! Kayo na magbilad na rin!
We're here in Jollibee. We're here in Jollibee. We were gonna eat spaghetti and palami and chicken, and we have few more stuff. They have few
Guys, Larson here. You might have been watching me for quite some time now, and probably you really don't know me or anything about me. So this is just me introducing myself to you.
Take away your things and go. You can't take back what you said. I know I've heard it all before, at least a million times. I'm not one to forget, you know.
So two of them, one for me and one for my sister. So this is the monthly mini bill that we got. So I'll just know it. There we go. Two of them. Yeah. So let's put it right there.
So yeah, I went on and checked out the other booths, and I really enjoyed checking the work of other people. And then I saw this guy. He handed his old passport to David Mack, and he turned it to a small sketchbook already. So he handed it, and he asked if he can draw a small artwork right there. So it's a really cool idea, and I really love how David Mack accommodated the guy. So it was really cool. And also I saw this artwork, the Spider-Gwen artwork by Will Sportacio. I wish I can still get it tomorrow, and I wish that it's still there. So yeah, but still, if I won't be able to do that, I'm just glad I was able to get my media copy of the event signed by Will Sportacio himself.